Awesome. You're watching the directions how to complete the Insane Measurement Lab. So what you're going to do is click on the lab and add it to Notability. Again, I'm on the computer, so it won't add to Notability, but I'm going to open it in Notability so that I can mark it up here. So the goal of the lab is to predict the size, and then we're going to convert it as well. Okay, so make sure you include units. So you have all these different things that you're going to estimate the length of. So estimate it in yards, feet, inches, estimate it in millimeters, centimeters, or meters. And then you're going to take an actual metric system measurement. Okay? And then you're going to convert that to a different metric units. Okay, a different metric units. Okay, and then you're going to use dimensional analysis and convert it to like centimeters to inches and so forth. Okay, so you have all these things down here and you have your number line. So as an example, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Thursday folder. If you're at home, you're going to have to do it this way. You're going to watch this video here. Hold on, I will, so what you're going to do is I'm going to go along a little bit so it shows you, okay, there's 1 meter right there. We're on 2 meters right here. And then I'm a little over 2 meters and pause right there. And I can see 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, like 28 exactly. So it'd be like 228 centimeters. Okay, so that would go right here, actual metric measurement, length of the lab table, 228 centimeters. And then I'm going to choose a different metric one. So if it was meters, my base units, I'm going to go 1, 2, 2 spots left. So I'd move my decimal, 1, 2, 2 spots left. And I get 2.28 meters. Okay, then I can use this to convert it to feet, or that one to convert it to centimeters, and so forth. If you have questions about how to do the conversions, show me or ask me a question. Okay, then we have some post-lab questions back here. You're going to upload and convert. Again, if you have guys have questions, if you're really struggling with the dimensional analysis piece, let me know and we can try to set up a time to figure it out. Or maybe I can post a video tomorrow that might help with that. Okay, thanks.